Here I've got Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro, and let me show you how to activate camera timer on the following device. So first of all, you need to reach the camera app, then tap on the more icon, and here you will notice a timer right here. It's the second tap, so you can pick 3, 5 or 10 seconds delay. Let me pick 10 seconds, and from now on, as you can see, the picture will be taken after 10 seconds. And that's it. Once you want to switch it off, click on the more icon and pick this first icon, which is for off, and now the picture can be grabbed immediately after you click. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.